Okay guys, with this quick video I want to show you how you can make daily $50 on autopilot absolutely for free. This method is so easy, and this is a new method that I am using and earning unlimited cash daily. This method is to of course, everyone can joining this system, and all you have to do is let's start. You can see you can visit Making Money Academy. You can find here all the link you need to succeed with this method. You can see here in the bottom SEO clerk. So let's visit. I will show you how exactly this look like. Okay, so basically you have to make your free account. Here you can click and join. I already have an account, so let's log into my account, and I will show you exactly how this works. Sorry. Okay. Fantastic. Now you can see this website. You can find unlimited product here that you can sell this product as an affiliate. Okay, there is unlimited product and services here, and the point is to get your affiliate link and promote these services and products and make sales daily. Okay, so how this work? You can go to the bottom of this website, and you will find here affiliate program. Okay, so let's visit affiliate program, and you will get this page. You can read about the program, affiliate program, how this work. Okay, take some time and read. Then you can see here what are my affiliate links. You can find your affiliate link here. Okay, so you have to visit this. This is not your affiliate link. You have to visit this link, and you will get this page. Now you can see your affiliate link. This is your affiliate link. In this case, this is my affiliate link. Okay, so all you have to do is copy this affiliate link and get traffic. Now I want to show you free traffic that you can get to this affiliate link and get a commission daily, but you have to do this work daily. Okay, you have to give it 10 minutes or 20 minutes daily, so you can get to get traffic to this link and get a commission from selling services from this website. Okay, so let's back to our page, Making Money Academy. Like I said, you can find all the links you need here. Okay, so I recommend to start getting traffic. You can see here traffic bonus, hot list mailer, viral mailer. Okay, you know about this website. You can get unlimited free traffic from this website. Also, I recommend to use Trafic Boost. Okay, Trafic Boost. It's look like. Let's visit. I will show you how exactly this look like. Okay, you can put your link. Right now, I have almost 2000 point. All you have to do, you can see here website and my website. Okay, and all you have to do is put your link here. I already have here 10 links. Okay, one of them is from SEO clerk. Okay, so you get the point. You have to put your link here and go to the dashboard and open, click websites and open it. So for every website you will get here 50 points, here for 50, 10, 25, 50. Okay, you have to open websites here, ads, and you will get points. Okay, traffic source free. Number 2 is Traf app. This is also you can join for free, and this is the same. Okay, you have to open first. You have to add your website, then you have to open ads and get credit. Then you will get with this credit you will get traffic to your affiliate link, to this affiliate link. Okay, so basically you have to get traffic all the time. Like I said, you have to give it a time, 10 to 20, if even more. Okay, it's it depends to you. It's up to your time. If you want to make money online, you have to give it a time and work daily. Okay, let's say back traffic source number 3, mailc.net. Sorry. So basically, this website is a fantastic website to get real traffic. This is a free solo ads. And all you have to do is add your link and send to other members and get traffic. Okay, so basically all the links you need. Don't forget, here is you can found unlimited free traffic, and the best of them is 14 to 21. This is a fantastic traffic. I am getting unlimited traffic from this website for free daily. Okay, I spend let's say 20 to 30 minutes just using this free traffic daily. This is a fantastic traffic. You can join for free and get traffic daily to your affiliate link. Okay, your affiliate link, and get a commission daily. Okay, so I hope you get the point. This is a fantastic and a great system that you can join right now for free and start earning daily a commission from SEOclerk.com. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you will take action and start earning money even today. Basically, you have to take action and start with this new program right now. So thank you again for watching. Please, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Hit like if you can, share this video. Thank you very much, and have a good day. Thank you very much.